How to download GTA 5 on PC for free. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you're gonna see the search box. Type in rockstargames.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Now here you're gonna find this search box. Type in the game name, GTA 5 and then search for it. After game appears, head over to it, click on the game, then click on the option of Buy Now. Again, head over to the game and click on the option of Select Platform. Select the option of PC. Now go ahead and click on PC Buy Now. You will be directed to the login page. Now provide your Rockstar Games account's credentials and login. After you log in, you will be directed to this page. Now here you have to provide your payment method. Go ahead and select the payment method and provide the payment details. After you complete this process, you can head over to the Old tab. Now click on this icon given at the top left, our icon. Then click on the option of Home. Once we're in the home page, now click on this option of Get Launcher. Now click on the option of Download for Windows. It will start downloading. You have to wait for a few seconds. And after completion of its download process, you have to launch this app. Now go ahead and select the language for this launcher, then click on Continue. Click on Continue. Go through the terms and conditions, check in for this option, click on Continue. Now choose the installation location. Then you can click on Continue. Now it's in the process to be installed, wait for a few seconds. Once completion of installation process, click on Close. Now again you have to provide your credentials and log into Rockstar Games. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Now at the left corner, you will find this section of My Library. In the case you have purchased the game, you're gonna find the game over there. Clicking on the game, you will get the option of Install. You can click on that option of Install, and with that you will get access to the game. So this way you can easily get GTA 5 on PC. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.